Okay, we finna do our aches, about each other. I got a laptop written. Alright, go. My ache is that she's bossy. She wants to tell everybody what to do and it has to be exactly how she wants. You damn fucking right. My ick is she's so stingy, and I'm like the most selfless person, and she's so stingy. Like, she act like she grew up in a household of 10 siblings with one single mama struggling. I am stingy, but most selfless stingy. Crazy. Stingy. She starts arguments about random topics. She just did that. She will start saying something that's so minuscule and then want to argue about it. Like, we was arguing about being athletic. Who's more athletic? All right, come on. You, cause you long and linky, that's actually a big ick. And I knew she held long, had something against, let me tell you. Come on, she's so long and linky, she's fucking clumsy. We don't have no time. She clumsy as fuck. She always bumping into people, just hurling everything. Alright, anger issues, that's my ick about her. Y'all know, but this girl got some serious issues. Okay, this my issue, this my ick. You always lying about your shoe size, and then I buy the shoes, and they be too small. I wear an 8. I wear an 8. You know, designer sizes, be iffy, man. Alright, she blocks me when she's mad. If something's wrong, how am I gonna contact you? That's an ick, actually. When shit could be wrong, you never answer the fucking phone. She never answers the phone. That's the ick. So you worry about me blocking you, bitch, you know you didn't answer the phone? Yeah, alright, goddamn. This is one of my icks. Will FaceTime you for every little thing. She will call me 10 times in one day. Hey, do you like my hair? That little cookies up to your ass icks. I'm not taking your ass. Go ahead. Okay, this a problem. Your breath always smells stale. She's so lying. Like, baby, don't put me out there like that. First of all, she's messy. How about we expose her? She's messy. I will clean up in 10 seconds later. It's messy again. Hey, baby, but we go ahead. Okay, my breath is not stale, little girl. Come on, we got okay, this is my problem. You don't be listening to me, and then I always end up being wrong. Yes, because I will try to tell her some shit like a big sister, like, don't do this, don't do that, or like, give her advice, and she act like she already knows shit. No, I don't act like I know, I just be like, well, I'm gonna find out. This my ick about her, she thinks she my mama. Since the beginning of time, she thinks she my damn mama, and she won't act like a cool big sister. Okay, you gonna have a problem. This my problem, you always steal my goddamn clothes and don't put them the fuck back. That's true. This my ick. She sleeps Baby, that don't do nothing. If it does, cause no, that's not no, that's my ick.
Ah, shit now. Ooh. We back. Birthday cake, holiday edition. Cheers.
That's basic, but it's good.
I got the munchies.
Girl, please.
10 out of 10.
Nah. Y'all got a mullet. Blueberry sours.
Ooh, it's sweet.
It is very sweet right now. We ain't had these in a minute now.
Snickerdoodle.
The crazy thing is we ain't ate them since we did the last one.
Oh shit.
That's good, but it ain't really give a snickerdoodle. It need more cinnamon.
Look at this. Look at the consistency. It's like cookie dough.
It is good though. You could just have a little more. All right.
10 out of 10. Let's go. This is a good way.
She loves red velvet.
Oh yeah, I do love red velvet. This is a good way to bounce back, is what I'm saying.
Oh, this lineup.
Yes.
It's a little baby shit. Not a fan. I'm not a fan. Girl. I feel like the chocolate chips is too much for me.
Yeah.
It's good, but
I don't know what the hell she talking about. That shit is.
I don't know.
Oh, that one is so good.
Eggnog.
I'm about to cleanse my palate for this one, cause baby, I love me some eggnog.
I'm gonna eat it.
I'm gonna eat it. Oh. Pause.
Wait, no, it's a TikTok. I think it is.
Back the fuck up. Back the fuck up.
Girl, we're gonna have a minute left.
She wanted to see me eat it.
Girl,
like.
please. It's good. It tastes like eggnog. If you like eggnog. It tastes exactly like it. And you was talking about me. Girl, we don't got no time left.
Hold on. This is so good.
Y'all, these
We had to
is
take
sweet
another
right
water
now.
break.
Woo!
Okay, hot cocoa. I'm excited for this one too.
Mm.
Oh shit.
That frosting is giving hot cocoa. Yeah, I like this one. This is my favorite one. This is my favorite. It's
I thought
giving
it was
hot
just gonna
cocoa.
taste like chocolate. But it really do taste like hot chocolate.
I think that's my favorite because it's chocolate. I love chocolate.
My favorite. What you think my favorite is? Quick.
Red velvet.
Eggnog, nigga.
Damn, I should have said eggnog. I
Don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Don't play with it. Come on, baby. Don't play with it.
This one, crumble. So, updated nighttime skincare routine. I've been using this cleanser since high school, and I'm not gonna stop now. Very important. Rinse with warm water. Rinse with warm water. And cleanse. I don't need to do this on camera. You know how to do it. Wash, wash, wash. Rinse. Cold water. Pat it dry. Cut around. Toner. Got out my accent. Let me go back to my accent. You got this first, this after. Y'all told me to stop letting the dropper touch my skin, and that's what I'm doing. Ooh. It will temporarily turn your skin green. It's normal. Lifesaver. About a pump. A pump and a half. Well, let me show you. Like so, like that. Last but certainly not least, my new fave. Ooh. My new fave moisturizer, and that's all, folks. Bring it down to your neck. Bring it down to your neck.
Because at night, it ain't shit on nothing. They got a strawberry shoot to the back of the throat.
Man, that's fruit all the way to the back of your throat.
Okay, okay.
This bit right here got all the spices.
Okay.
This chicken fire.
Did you get rice too?
Rice.
What's that yoga?
It better be my shit, bro.
Ooh, hot.
Oh, it's slices of peaches. It's hot like spicy or hot like hot?
Hot temperature.
Yeah, it just came out.
It's good though, it just burnt my tongue.
Sizzling.
You know what is? Them ramen.
You like it?
Pretty good.
I ain't gonna lie. Man, you got too much shit.
That's what you want, man. You want to see me fail.
That's what you gonna do.
You want to see me fail?
Ooh, that broth is good.
Fire.
What the fuck?
Don't it taste like noodles with hot sauce in it?
Oh my god, it's so
You trying
big.
to turn me down? Let me see what that brought
That
to.
is 10 out of 10.
Take you down.
Bro, why the fuck would you do that? I didn't do that to you. I'm already full.
Is your chicken teriyaki rice good?
I been my love.
Yeah, I'm full. This shit was so delicious.
You ain't had the orange shit on yours?
The eggs?
Yeah. I can feel me biting the eggs.
I got the crispy caramel up, caramel up. Woo! Oh wow. See what I'm gonna do right here.
I'm about to throw up, y'all.
Y'all ate seaweed.
We bred
I had an egg in that one.
Doing their own workout.
If you think about it, you want to run on a treadmill, me, her, host.
No, I'm not. If I run on my own time, I don't run when you run. I'm not gonna work out like that.
Be real. Are you trying to turn it straight?
That's how you supposed to get your stamina up.
I'm doing good, like.
Woo! This is all I could finish, y'all. Oh my God, I'm so full. It's so good. 10 out of 10. Okay, y'all, it's Christmas in Clayco right now. Wingstop done pulled up on me. I had to take the gloves off because I'm finna get dirty, baby. Lemon pepper my fave, fried hard, extra sprinkles. Louisiana rub, the OG high, mango habanero. Y'all don't know nothing about the Wingstop ranch, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna go ahead and get into my matter of fact, what the lotto meal at? This the lotto meal right here. Let's get into it. Guys, I come up here and get one of these. One thing I didn't have was the mango habanero. I like that. That heat kicking in for sure. Wingstop, y'all done did it again. I appreciate y'all so much for pulling up on me with the flavors. Feeding these families in Clayco. I'm finna take me some skull plates. I don't know where y'all going, but y'all gotta get the hell up on them about it. It's finna get messy, but I know.
Would you ever have a threesome?
Not with my man. I don't like being in a room or being near, being friends, being within 2 feet of anybody my man fucked before me, liked a picture before me, DM, text, call, looked at before me.